There's a guy that was behind me with his family, and they weren't going. They were just waiting to see if I was going to make that cross. And but he tried to help me find a better crossing. Put a log in and it just went right downstream. But I kept looking and actually found a place to cross. The water's about almost up to my knee, but there was like tree sprigs and stuff, so you could kind of hold on to that. All right, this is crossing 3. Gotta just actually walk into the water, see over there where it connects. This is crossing 12. There was another one back there, but I didn't record it. And this one might not be too bad. There's the connection over there. Just gotta stay close to the rocks. And the current's been a little bit challenging. I don't mind getting wet. I just don't want to. It feels like a Spartan race. I don't know. But anyway, 13. All right, this one. Look at that sudsy. I got to kind of go up around there and cross over, and then the trail's right. Had a couple more crossings. Went up above my knee, but look at this. Whew. Oh, wait till I get up there.